Hi, this is Kendra Prevost, KP Real Estate Group, and today, pretty much, I want to answer a question that people ask me all the time. Should I invest in real estate? Should I invest in stocks? Some people want to go real estate, some people want to go stocks. And I want to give some advice on making a decision. Number one, you should really be in both at this point in time. If you're looking for retirement, I want you to hear me clearly. You will not be able to be rich working every day. It's not going to happen. You have to invest your money. And I'm not talking about a 401k because the way the 401k is designed is not designed actually for you to make money. Okay? It's designed for money managers to get rich. Okay? Not for you to make money. So, when I say investing, I'm talking about investing, buying property other than your homestead. People think that, oh, your homestead is going to make you rich. Yes, you will be comfortable, but you will not be rich off just your homestead. And as far as investing, individual stocks. So my advice to anybody who's starting out in investing, unless you really have money, like a lot of money, like a good amount of free money, I would not invest going into real estate personally. I feel like it's for a comfortable person, somebody who has a little bit of money on the side, that can put a down payment down and be able to take care of a property. And when I'm talking about investing in real estate, I'm really talking about more buy and hold strategy. Now, as far as fixing it and flipping it up, flipping property, people that come to me that want to invest in flipping are not the typical flipper. Real flippers use cash or hard money. They don't get a regular bank loan. So if you use a hard money loan, which is a loan with a higher interest rate with short term, you have to be able to assume the risk. If you can't assume the risk, then that's not the game you want to play. You want to buy a property and keep it as rental income. They pay off your mortgage and then you live off that. The second option is buying individual stocks. So I recommend, if you don't already have one, open up an account with an independent broker. TD Ameritrade is who I use. They have E-Trade. I have Scottrade too. Open up an account with them and commit yourself to investing in whatever stock you like, whatever product you use. You know, really look at the products you use and invest in that company. Own part of that company. Take a percentage of your check, well, not even percentage, a dollar amount, $100 per pay period, and invest in those stocks every 2 weeks or whatever. That's my personal opinion, because I've done both. I've made money in real estate, kind of, but I'm making way more money in stocks. And the stock game is not going anywhere. I really believe, my personal belief, is that they try to scare people into believing that stocks are risky so that people don't invest. But if you look at all the major players, the super duper rich people, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, they all got their money in stocks. Mark Cuban. I mean, for real, think about it. It's a game. It's a game. You got to be able to understand the game so that you can know how to play the game. And stocks is the game. I believe that if all these people, drug dealers, whatever, if they learn the stock game, they can hustle on the streets. If they learn the stock game, they wouldn't even be hustling on the streets because the game is not that hard. It don't even take that much money. You know, personal experience. About a month ago, Grant Cardone, was the guy that I follow, had said that he's going to sell all his stocks, and because he said the stock market is going to crash. Since that date, I have made $30,000 in the stock market. Since that day, he said that. It's been up and down, but if you look from that date to today, I'm up $30,000. How else am I do that in real estate? No. Going to work every day? No. So that's my advice to you. I'm not an investing strategist or something like that. I can just only speak on my personal experience. So I hope that today you can at least do one thing. Open up an account, either Share Builder, which is now called Capital One Capital One Investing, and you can have that money automatically draw from your account every other week. Pick one stock and stick with it. Don't let it go. If you use it, you don't have nothing to worry about. I invest in Apple, Facebook, Netflix, because I use those things. If you don't use it, don't invest in it. Don't invest in anything you don't understand. That's my advice. Good. God bless you.